Hey everyone! Ever wonder what those USB ports on the side or back of your computer monitor are actually good for? Today, I'm going to show you 7 awesome and clever ways you can use your monitor's USB ports to make your workspace smarter and more convenient. 1. Power desk lamps. First up, powering a small desk lamp. Just plug it into your monitor's USB port. It's a great way to brighten up your workspace without reaching behind your PC or hunting for an extra wall outlet. 2. Charge devices. Next, you can charge your phone or earbuds. Keep your charger cables within arm's reach and never dive under your desk looking for a plug again. 3. Connect game controllers. Do some gaming or need a controller for your PC. Plugging it into your monitor is super convenient, especially if your computer tower is tucked out of reach. 4. Use a webcam, occasionally. Here's a tip. If you only use a webcam for the occasional Zoom call, plug it into a monitor port. It's easy to connect and disconnect and keeps your desk tidy. 5. Plug in USB flash drives. Transferring files just got easier. Those monitor USB ports are perfect for quickly popping in a USB flash drive, no more crouching behind your PC. 6. Power USB fans. Feeling warm? You can power a mini USB fan right from your monitor, keeping you cool during those long work or gaming sessions. 7. Quickly attach or remove devices. And finally, because the monitor's USB ports are front and center, it's super simple to connect or swap out any gadgets you use temporarily. No hassle, no mess. So there you have it. Those USB ports on your monitor aren't just for show. They can make work and play so much easier. Try out some of these tips and let me know your favorite way to use your monitor's USB hubs in the comments below.